Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to find Steam screenshots on PC. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, the easiest method right here is via the Steam app. Now, go ahead and open up the Steam app and click on View right here at the very top. And then you have recordings and screenshots. So just tap on it and you'll be able to see it right here. Now, the other option is the hard drive path. Okay. Go ahead and close the Steam app or minimize it if you want to. Go ahead and open up your File Explorer. Go to local disk C. Now program files x86. Go ahead and find Steam. Double click. Now go ahead and find user data. Right here. Double click. And then go ahead and find your user ID or your Steam ID. Double click. And in here you'll be able to find a 760 folder. Okay, 760. Just double click on it, and under 760 you have remote as well, just like so. So double click on remote, and you'll be able to see inside folders named with random numbers, and each number represents a specific game app ID. For example, 271590 for GTA 5, and your screenshots are saved inside those folders. And by the way, you can tell Steam right here to automatically save a clean and compressed copy of every screenshot directly to your desktop or an easy to reach folder. Now, to do that, go ahead over to Steam right here. Now go ahead and go to Settings. Now find In-Game. Click on it. Now find Screenshot folder or the Screenshots section. Now find Save an external copy of my screenshot. Now, save external HDR screenshot as AVF. It's up to you, but just basically click on Change Folder right here. Save it on your desktop or wherever you want. Click on Select Folder. And once you go ahead and take a screenshot, it will be saved under your desktop. That's how easy it is to find Steam screenshots on PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.